Children, in today's class, we are going to discuss about oxidation number from Unit 1. Oxidation number. Elements in a molecule are in specific oxidation state. The oxidation state of elements in the compound may be positive, negative or zero. So, what is oxidation number? It is defined as the imaginary charge left on the atom when all other atoms of the compound have been removed in their usual oxidation states. Oxidation number or oxidation state. Okay, children. It is defined as the imaginary charge left on the atom when all other atoms of the compound have been removed in their usual oxidation states. Now we can see the rules for assigning oxidation number. Rule number 1. Yes, the oxidation state of a free element, that is in the uncombined state, is 0. Yes, the oxidation state of a free element. Free element means, yes, there is Cu, Ag, okay, Au, etc. like that. In the uncombined state, remember oxidation state of the element is 0. Okay, similarly, each atom, okay, yes, in the molecules like, yes, Cl2, okay, yes, H2, yes, then N2, O2, etc. like that. Each atom, yes, in the molecules are in the, yes, 0 oxidation state. Understand, children? Yes. Then next, rule number 2, yes, for a monoatomic ion, the oxidation state is equal to the net charge on the ion. Yes, for a monoatomic ion, the ion may be a positive ion or a negative ion. Okay, so for a monoatomic ion, the oxidation state is equal to the net charge on the ion. Monoatomic ion means, yes, presence of one atom only. Okay, an ion containing only one atom. Okay, for example, Na plus ion. Okay, then K plus. Understand? Yes. Similarly, Cl minus ion. Okay, yes. Then Br minus ion. Okay, children, these are some of the examples for monoatomic ion. Okay, the oxidation state of sodium, yes, in Na plus ion is plus 1 because the net charge on the ion is plus 1. Okay, similarly, the oxidation state of potassium in K plus ion is plus 1. The oxidation state of chlorine, okay, in Cl minus ion is minus 1 because here the net charge is minus 1. Similarly, the oxidation state of, okay, yes, Br in Br minus is minus 1. Understand, children? Yes. Then next, rule number 3. The algebraic sum of oxidation states of all atoms in a molecule is equal to 0, while in ions it is equal to the net charge on the ion. Understand? The algebraic sum of oxidation states of all atoms in a molecule is equal to 0. Now we can see one example. Let us consider, yes, sulfuric acid. We can calculate the oxidation number of all the atoms, okay, present in this molecule. How to calculate oxidation number of the elements, okay, in the molecule means by substituting the oxidation charge of each atom. Understand? Yes. Listen, H2SO4. In H2SO4, there are 2 hydrogen. Okay, so multiply the number of hydrogen atom by its oxidation number. The oxidation number of hydrogen, okay, yes, in H2SO4 is plus 1. Okay, so 2 into plus 1, then plus. We have to sum up, isn't it? Yes, then that is 1 sulfur, 1 into the oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6. Okay, ma? Yes, then there are 4 oxygen atom. Okay, yes, so 4 into the oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. Okay, children? Yes, now we can sum up. Okay, 2 into plus 1, yes, plus 2, then 1 into plus 6, then 4 2s are 8. This plus into, okay, plus into minus minus. Okay, here we have to sum up, okay, so minus 8. Okay, ma? Yes, plus 2 plus 6 is plus 8, then minus 8, which is equal to 0. Okay, yes, did you understand? Yes, the algebraic sum of oxidation states of all atoms in a molecule is equal to, yes, 0. Okay, whereas in the case of, okay, S ion, the algebraic sum of oxidation state of all atoms, okay, is equal to the net charge on the ion. For that you consider S sulfate ion. The formula of sulfate ion is SO4 2 minus ion. Okay, so in the case of ion, the sum of the oxidation state of all atoms is equal to the net charge on the ion. Here the net charge of the sulfate ion is minus 2. Okay children, yes, now we can verify. Yes, in sulfate ion, that is in sulfate radical, I mean one sulfur is present, so 1 into the oxidation state is yes, I mean here the oxidation state of yes sulfur is plus 6, isn't it? Yes, then plus there are 4 oxygen atoms, okay, so 4 into the oxidation number of, okay, oxygen is minus 2, okay, so 1 into plus 6, then plus into minus, 4 2s are 8, okay, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore the sum of the oxidation state of all atoms in an ion is equal to net charge carried on the ion. Okay children, yes. Rule number 4. Hydrogen has an oxidation number of plus 1. Yes, the oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1. Okay children, in all its compounds except in metal hydrides. In metal hydrides, the oxidation number of hydrogen is minus 1. So remember all of you, in all the compounds of hydrogen, its oxidation number is plus 1. Okay, except in metal hydrides. In metal hydrides, the oxidation number of hydrogen is minus 1. Okay children, yes. So for example, let us consider HCl. In HCl, the oxidation number of, okay, yes, hydrogen is plus 1. Okay, now we can see how it is, I mean plus 1. Okay, yes, I mean here we have to substitute the oxidation number of chlorine, okay, and to calculate the oxidation number of hydrogen. Okay, yes, we are calculating for hydrogen, so write H, then there is 1 chlorine, the oxidation number of chlorine is minus 1. Okay, so 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, yes, therefore hydrogen minus 1 plus into minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, therefore hydrogen is equal to plus 1. Okay, so in all its compound, yes, the oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1, okay, except in metal hydrides. Okay, for metal hydride, let us consider sodium hydride. The formula of sodium hydride is NaH. Okay, here we can substitute the oxidation number of sodium and we can calculate the oxidation number of hydrogen. Okay, sodium, there is only one sodium. The oxidation number of sodium is plus 1. So 1 into plus 1 plus hydrogen, okay, is equal to 0. Okay ma, 1 into plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus hydrogen is equal to 0. Therefore hydrogen is equal to, yes, minus 1. Okay, yes, in hydrides, the oxidation state of hydrogen is minus 1. In all the hydrides, the oxidation number of, okay, yes, I mean hydrogen is minus 1. Okay children, yes, then rule number, yes, 5, yes, fluorine. Okay, fluorine has an oxidation state of minus 1 in all its compounds. Okay, yes, remember the oxidation state of fluorine in all its compound is minus 1. Okay children, yes, I mean why the oxidation state of fluorine is always minus 1 means because this is the only element having high electronegative value. Understand children? Whereas the oxidation state of other elements will vary from compound to compound. Understand ma? Yes. So the oxidation state of chlorine is always minus 1. Clear? Yes. The next rule number 6. The oxidation state of oxygen in most of its compound is minus 2. That is the oxidation state of, the common oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2. Except in peroxides, yes, superoxides and compounds with the fluorine. Okay, yes, in peroxides, the oxidation number of, okay, yes, oxygen is minus 1. Okay, whereas in the case of superoxide, the oxidation number of oxygen is, yes, minus 1 by 2. Okay, then with the fluorine, the oxidation number of oxygen is, yes, plus 2. Okay, yes, now we can see how the oxidation number of oxygen, okay, in peroxide is minus 1. Okay, yes, and in superoxides minus 1 by 2, and with fluorine plus 2. First we can see, yes, the oxidation state of, okay, yes, oxygen in hydrogen peroxide as minus 1. Okay, yes, what is the common oxidation state of oxygen? In all its compound, in most of its compound, in the oxidation state of oxygen is, yes, minus 2. Okay, ma. Yes, for example, in water, yes, the oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2. Okay, water is the normal oxide of hydrogen, isn't it? Okay, yes, here also even we can check it. Okay, yes, in water the oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2. Okay, water H2O. Yes, there are two hydrogen, so 2 into oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1. Then let the oxygen as X, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, yes, so 1 into plus 1 plus 1 plus, sorry, 2 into plus 1 plus 2, then plus X, okay, is equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to minus 2. Yes, understand children? In all its compound, the oxidation state of, yes, oxygen is minus 2. Okay, now we can see in peroxide. Yes, let us consider hydrogen peroxide. Okay, yes, H2O2. Okay, yes, hydrogen peroxide. The formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. Okay, ma. Yes, now we can substitute the oxidation state of hydrogen. Yes, the oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1. So 2 into, yes, plus 1. Then there are two oxygen atom. Yes, let it be 2x. Okay, that is equal to 0. Okay, children, if there is no charge on the molecule, means we should write equal to 0. Okay, so 2 into plus 1 plus 2. Okay, then yes, plus 2x is equal to 0. Here 2x is equal to, yes, minus 2. Okay, ma. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, ma. Yes, understand? Yes, then next we can see, yes, the oxidation state, okay, of oxygen in in superoxide. An example for superoxide is KO2. Okay, yes, KO2. An example for superoxide. Okay, ma'am. Yes, in superoxides, what is the oxidation state of oxygen? The oxidation state of oxygen is minus 1 by 2. Okay, yes, superoxide. An example for superoxide is KO2. Okay, yes, KO2 is an example for superoxide. Now we can calculate oxidation state of oxygen in superoxide. Okay, yes, we have to substitute the oxidation state of potassium. So 1 potassium, so 1 into plus 1. Okay, then there are two oxygen atom. Okay, let it be 2x is equal to 0. Okay, yes, so 1 into plus 1 plus 1, then plus 2x, okay, which is equal to 0. Therefore, okay, yes, yes, we can write 2x. Okay, yes, 2x is equal to minus 1, isn't it? Yes, I will write here. Therefore x is equal to, yes, minus 1 by 2, isn't it? Okay, therefore the oxidation state of, yes, oxygen in superoxide is minus 1 by 2. Okay, ma. Yes, then next, in compounds with fluorine, the oxidation state of, yes, oxygen is plus 2, isn't it? Yes, now we can see one example. Okay, let us consider OF2 molecule. Okay, yes, in OF2 molecule, the oxidation state of oxygen is plus 2. Okay, yes, now we can find out, one oxygen atom, let it be X. Okay, then there are two fluorine, 2 into, we know the oxidation state of fluorine is always minus 1. Okay, that is, yes, equal to 0. Okay, yes, then here x, then plus into minus, minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 2. Yes, understand? Then next, rule number 7. Okay, yes, rule number 7 is the oxidation state of alkali metal is plus 1 and alkaline earth metal is plus 2. Okay, children? Yes, so study all the 7 rules thoroughly. Now we are going to calculate oxidation state of the elements in the following compounds. Okay, first we are going to calculate oxidation state of carbon in carbon dioxide. Okay ma, yes, carbon dioxide, the formula is CO2. Okay, we are calculating for carbon, so write carbon, then C plus, there are 2 oxygen atom, the oxidation number of oxygen is S minus 2 we know, so 2 into minus 2 which is equal to 0. Okay, therefore C plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, C minus 4 equal to 0, therefore C is equal to S plus 4. So the oxidation state of, okay, carbon in carbon dioxide is plus 4. Okay children, yes. The next oxidation state of sulfur, sulfur in sulfuric acid. Okay ma'am, yes, we can see the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid, the formula is H2SO4. Okay, yes, we are calculating for sulfur. Okay, so substitute the oxidation state of hydrogen and oxygen. Here there are 2 hydrogen, so 2 into plus 1. Okay, yes, just now only we saw the oxidation number of hydrogen in all its compound is plus 1 except in metal hydrides. So 2 into plus 1 we are calculating for sulfur, so write yes. Then there are 4 oxygen atom. Okay, 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so 2 into plus 1 plus 2, then plus sulfur, plus into minus minus, 4 2s are 8. Okay, yes, which is equal to 0. Then here plus 2 minus 8. Okay, S minus 6. S minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, S is equal to plus 6. Okay ma. So, what is the plus 6? Okay, yes. So, what is the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid? Plus 6. Understand? Yes. The next we can calculate for chromium. Okay, Cr in Cr2O724 minus. Okay, chromium in Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay, 2 minus children, Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay, it is a dichromate ion. The name of the ion is dichromate ion. Okay, now we can calculate. Yes, dichromate ion Cr2. Okay, Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay, here there are 2 chromium, so write 2 Cr. Okay, then there are 7 oxygen atoms, 7 into minus 2, isn't it? Okay, yes, charge on the ion is minus 2, so write minus 2 equal to, okay, yes, here 2 Cr plus into minus minus, 7 2s are 14, so minus 14 equal to minus 2. Okay, therefore 2 Cr, this we should here in the next step actually we should bring the minus 14 to the right side. Okay, therefore 2 Cr is equal to plus 14, plus 14 already minus 2 is there, which is equal to plus 12. Okay, yes, so here plus 12. Okay, 2 Cr equal to plus 12. Okay children, therefore Cr is equal to plus 12. Okay, yes, divided by 2 which is equal to plus 6. Okay, yes, so the oxidation state of Cr, chromium in dichromate ion is plus 6. Children, whenever we are reporting the oxidation state of the elements, means we must report whether the element, okay, in that compound is existing in positive state or in negative state or in zero state. We must, okay, report the oxidation state of the elements with charge. Okay, yes, so remember this point all of you. Okay, the next we can calculate oxidation state of carbon in CH2F2. Okay ma, yes, now we can see the calculation. Yes, here we are going to calculate oxidation state of carbon. Okay, carbon in CH2. Okay, the compound is CH2F2. Okay ma'am, yes, we can calculate now. Yes, the compound is, yes, what's the formula of the compound? CH2F2. Okay, yes, we are calculating for carbon. Okay, so write the carbon as it is. C plus, there are 2 hydrogen, 2 into plus 1 we know, then plus there are 2 fluorine, the oxidation state of fluorine is minus 1, okay, which is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore 2 into plus 1 plus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 2, isn't it? Here plus into minus minus. Okay, so plus 2 minus 2 equal, it will get cancelled we know. Okay, therefore here the oxidation state of carbon, okay, yes, in CH2F2 is 0. Understand ma? Yes, then Next we can calculate the oxidation state of, okay, yes, I mean a sulfur in sulfur dioxide. Okay, yes, the formula is SO2. Okay, we are calculating for sulfur, so write yes. Then there are two oxygen atom. Okay, 2 into, yes, what is the oxidation state of oxygen in all its compound? Yes, -2. Okay, therefore 2 into -2 is equal to 0. Here yes, then plus into minus 2 2s are 4. S minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore S is equal to plus 4. So what is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfur dioxide? Plus 4. Children, the definition and the calculation of oxidation number of elements is an important part. Okay, yes,